Hi guys, so the aim in this screencast is to show you how to create a distance buffer in QGIS. Meaning, if I have my new points layer, these are the points. Points have no area. I want somehow to circle an area around those points. And this is called a buffer. It will create a new layer, polygon layer, with the specified parameters. So how do I do it? It's called a buffer. So I'm looking for a buffer here. That's one way to do it. Or I go to vector geoprocessing and the same buffer appears here. And as I told you, I want to do it around my new layer. Currently, all of the points will get a buffer around them, but as you can see, one of them is yellow, meaning it's selected. So if I want to create a buffer around this one only, I have to define it by selecting the V here. Now the layer is WGS84, the CRS is in degrees, so the units are degrees. Let's say I want the distance to be 0.1 degrees. If it was a metric CRS, it would be meters. And I want to define the location where this is created, so I save to file and I call it my new buffer. And actually that's it. I'm ready to run. And you can see I have my new buffer here. If I zoom into it, these are the points, and this is 0.1 degrees around. Mission accomplished. Bye.